Ever wondered how effective your current SEO strategy really is? If you're not soaring to the top of search engine rankings, it may be time to revisit the basics of on-page SEO. On-page SEO is the art of optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. It involves a myriad of steps, all crucial in enhancing your website's visibility to both your target audience and search engine bots. So, what are these steps? Let's break them down. First up, keyword optimization. This is the process of incorporating relevant keywords into your content, headings, and meta tags. Think of it as the bread and butter of your SEO strategy. By using the right keywords, you signal to search engines what your page is all about, helping them to index your site accurately. Next, we move on to improving page load speed. In the digital world, speed is king. Slow loading pages can deter visitors and negatively impact your search engine ranking. So, work on optimizing your site's speed, making sure your pages load as quickly as possible. Don't forget about mobile friendliness. With the majority of internet users browsing on mobile devices, it's essential to ensure your site is responsive and user-friendly across all platforms. The fourth step is creating a clear site structure. This not only aids navigation for your visitors, but also helps search engines crawl your site more efficiently. Quality content and relevant internal links are also key. They not only enrich the user experience, but also boost your site's relevance and authority in the eyes of search engines. Next on the list is image optimization. Descriptive image alt text helps search engines understand your images and can improve your visibility in image search results. The penultimate step is regular updates and maintenance. Keeping your content fresh and relevant is a surefire way to stay in the good books of search engines. And finally, consider utilizing schema markup. This advanced SEO technique helps search engines understand your content better, potentially increasing your visibility in search results. So, to summarize, optimizing your keywords, improving page load speed, ensuring mobile friendliness, creating a clear site structure, producing quality content with relevant internal links, using descriptive image alt text, regularly updating your content, and utilizing schema markup are the key steps in effective on-page SEO. By mastering these steps, you can enhance your website's visibility, increase your search engine rankings, and ultimately attract more relevant traffic to your site. Remember, SEO isn't a one-time task, but a continuous process of improvement and optimization. So take the time to fine-tune your strategy and see the results roll in. Until next time, happy optimizing.